everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. This is very easy and quick salad recipe. It's so easy to make and it's super delicious and very healthy. So good. How to make quick and easy and super tasty, delicious, healthy salad recipe I will show you today. And let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. I have a long English cucumber, half onion, 1 green chili, small amount of ginger. If you don't like ginger, don't add it. Half lemon, garbanzos, and I'm going to use 1 can. This is 439 gram, 15.5 ounce. These are pre-cooked. I wash with the cold water and drain the water. Then we're going to use the small cherry tomatoes. We're going to saute the garbanzos with olive oil and quarter teaspoon salt and smoked paprika, quarter teaspoon. Then we're going to use the cilantro, roasted cumin, salt, chaat masala, quarter teaspoon each. First step will be we're going to cook the garbanzos. So let's get started. Start burner. Get a fry pan. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add garbanzos. As I mentioned, these are pre-cooked. We're going to saute 3 minutes. Add salt and paprika. Mix it. Saute it for 3 minutes. This is good. We're going to turn off the gas and we're going to take it out on the plate so they can cool down. So let it cool down. Get a mixing bowl. Green chili. I'm going to cut into thin slices. This is huge, so I'm going to use half of it. When you add ginger, try to cut as thin as possible. Mix it. Garbanzos are cooled down. Mix it again. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add salt, roasted cumin, and chaat masala. Mix it one more time. Fresh lemon juice. Squeeze it half of it. Add olive oil. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Mix it one more time. Our quick and easy, tasty, healthy cucumber salad is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this quick and easy recipe, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.